Good girl.
Your first one was a little shorter. Does this one feel the same or a little bit different? Like a full-fledged one?
Yeah.
Okay, Chai, honey, you're past your prime now in helping Daddy out with his moments. You're 20. I know you're still a service dog at heart, but you gotta go. You gotta let little girl take care of Daddy now.
Good girl. He must have been teaching her all this time.
Well, since she started doing the pressure therapy with you, is it helping to bring you up out of them faster?
Yes. Stay. Don't move.
Stay right there, little girl. Good girl. Stay. Stay.
Don't move.
Daddy is almost done. And your cat's over there trying to pull at your hand, like, pet me, play with me, and leave that ugly, smelly dog alone. See, she's so used to laying beside you when you have a seizure or a stroke. For her to be doing pressure therapy with you, she's doing pretty good. Let me know as soon as you come up out of it, because you're still shaking. Daddy's almost done, honey. I think she can tell when you're fixing to come up out of it.
We didn't teach her that. We didn't teach her that.
Yeah, but she knows when you're having it.
We didn't teach her that either.
Yeah.
She just knew. Good girl.
How are you feeling now? Better? So you're feeling a little bit better now? Okay. Oh, she gives you kisses. All her kisses make it all better.
Thank you, sweetie. Good girl. Twice in one day. Yes.
Such a good girl. Yes, you are. You want the leash to stay up on her for a little bit in case you have another one. Sit. There. There. No, ma'am. That's not going to work. There. There. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Stay. You feeling better?
Yeah.
A little drained, huh?
Definitely.
You're going to be tired tonight, aren't you? All right. Okay.
I'm already tired.
I know it's very draining for you.